Can you tell me where you live and why you're here in Hanover?
We're from Marshfield, and it wasn't available anywhere in Marshfield.
Can you say how worried parents are about it, or?
Very worried as there's none around.
I think the thing that worries me the most is that they're telling us that we need to get the vaccine and that it's not been available in most places. I am worried. I have a lot of friends whose kids have been sick and they're not sure what type of flu it is, so it's better to be safe than sorry. It's as safe as it can be, and I'd rather have them have this now than have the flu later on.
Having young kids and in the public schools, you got to be careful, and I definitely encourage all of my students and my own kids to wash up and make sure they take care of themselves.
Are you a teacher?
I am, yeah.
What do you teach in
Weymouth. I teach in Weymouth, the high school. So I'm very careful about washing my hands and encouraging my students to wash their hands at all possible transitions.
I have grandchildren. I've been in the community for 28 years. I'm looking to, make sure that people have this experience as helpful and well organized as it can be. It's very well organized. The Board of Health has put a lot of thought into this. A lot of volunteers are here. People in the community are really coming out to help. And if you look around, you can see that people are very concerned about this. So.
Here we are in the gym, and this is where they're getting the shots.
Correct. This area. They've got a process. They get screened here, and then they move over here to register. They get their paperwork, and they get set up with a color-coded tag. We're grouping them by groups of 15 or 20, and then we'll call the groups. And once they're done here, they'll be able to go out into the hallway, and we'll call them in by groups. They'll go in the back behind there. We have bleachers set up. They wait there, and then they'll go to the table to be vaccinated.
I'm Jeanette Libby. This is my son, Owen Libby. He's 6 months old. I work actually here in town, and there's been a lot of cases of kids who have been ill, and I'm just worried about bringing it home to him. They recommended it. They didn't have any when we went for his well baby visit, but they recommended finding it, calling around places to see if they had it. Then when I got my shot the other day, I heard about this clinic, and they said it was open to anyone.